Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to KIFS Crypto, your go-to channel for honest reviews and updates from the world of crypto. Now, today we're going to be diving into yet another cryptocurrency exchange. You will know that we do like to focus on them on this channel. And today we're looking at one called xt.com. Now, xt.com is a centralized exchange that's been around since 2018. While they may not be as famous as Binance or Coinbase, they are beginning to grow very rapidly. Now, that's primarily due to their security, their global accessibility, and their wide range of services. Headquartered in Hong Kong, they claim to serve millions of users, and they have a whole suite of tools, including an NFT marketplace. So, in today's video, we're looking at xt.com. So here's the xt.com website. Now, there is a lot to go through on this, and we're going to keep it simple, focus on the main things. They do have the usual stuff that you would expect on any cryptocurrency exchange, but they have a lot of other stuff going on. Like, they've got an NFT marketplace, as I said. They also have XT Smart Chain. They do have an academy, and if you're new to trading, I recommend highly that you go and check out the academy first. Learn how to use these exchanges before putting your money into them. And when you're ready and feel like you're ready to trade, they do have a demo service also, so you can trade without actually using your own money. Also across here, you'll see where they have the derivatives, both your USDMs and your coin futures. Over across here, you got your spot, your ETFs, and your margins down here. They do have copy trading, and I'm going to set up a copy trading account. I'm going to run it for a month or so and show you guys how we've fared on that. They have futures and spot. Now, we do primarily focus on futures or derivatives on this channel. Oh, here you got your financing. You can even get a crypto loan out if you want to utilize your crypto assets to get a loan. And so that saves you cashing out your crypto assets. Obviously, you will have to pay it back. And they do have a VIP loan service over here. Down here is the launchpad. They do release premium projects from time to time. We're going to have a look at that now, actually. See, is there anything in it? And they do have, they do have one going at the moment. Looking to raise 50,000 and almost completed with 194 participants. Very good. And they've and down here, you'll see the ones that have already finished. Now, I think this might be a good option also for the project that we're going to be launching soon, the Meme Asylum. 14.8 million total raised. Here you'll see, well, they have the MNTXT Carnival. So you complete platform-wide tasks to win from $500,000 USDT prize pool. Now, some of the tasks are relatively easy. So if you trade in T futures, you can share up to 288,000 USDT. Now, but yeah, I'm going to post a link in the description of this video, and you can see all the current promotions they're running. And I will show you one in particular, which is the XT Futures Trading Frenzy. Now, this is going to be going on for another 13 days. It only started yesterday, but I want to show you, if you're big into trading, this could be a useful strategy to get involved in. So if your volume is, let's say, 1 million, the cash reward is $75, and there's going to be 60 winners of that. You know, you must utilize the link in the description to get involved. Now, if you're a heavy trader, you can get up to $2,000 in cash rewards. All the terms are down there. As I said, it's running for 14 days. So I suppose you want to see what the back end of this thing looks like. Well, let's have a look at it. So this is the back end. As you can see, Bitcoin has had a little pop up here over the last 15 minutes or so. Probably due to news, the ECB lowering interest rates by another 0.25%. So yeah, it's very straightforward. Up here, you got your cross, your isolators. If you don't know what that is, you got to go and check that out before you do any trading. Very, very important. Obviously, we're going to be always isolated. And you got leverages here up to 125x. Now, obviously, we don't recommend that at all. I use 10x-ish, and it is super, super easy to use. Over here, we have our copy trading. And as you can see, some of the returns on investment over the 7-day period are absolutely crazy. 218%, 180%, 155%. So copy trading is one of those things you need to study a little bit carefully. It's not just a matter of following the highest returns ones. Some of them use very, very small amounts and have high leverage. So you got to be very, very careful. But I'm going to set up a copy trading account, and we're going to revisit this after a few weeks, and I'll let you know how we have got on. But yeah, if you're a copy trading fan, everything here for you. Finally, I want to show you the crypto loan section. So this is quick loans borrowed on the back of your crypto assets. Now, we wouldn't be advocates in this channel for pushing loans, but sometimes people do need fast cash. This is one way of going about it. And finally, if you're into staking, you have the wealth management section here, and they're far more solid in terms of returns. You're not going to get crazy returns, but you're going to get solid returns. So guys, that was a quick look at xt.com. Let me go over some of the pros and cons. They have over 500 different trading pairs. Interface is very user friendly. The copy trading feature is going to appeal to a lot of people. I know a lot of people love to just hit the go button, put the cash into a particular copier and let it run. Security track record is very, very strong. There's some of the highest security in the industry. And also, it caters to the NFT guys out there. And they do have that launchpad. So if you like to get involved in projects early, you're going to love that also. So whether you're a beginner looking to get involved in trading, they do have a simple interface for you. Or if you're an intermediate trader, curious about new altcoins and getting involved in projects early, this could be perfect for you also. Now, if you do want to get involved and check them out, as I said, have a look at that trading competition. There's a link in the description. If you utilize it, I would appreciate it. It goes and supports the channel. I also love to know what you think of this project. Let me know in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You get notified every time a new video goes up. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.